Well, as we are currently standing on our main screen after the login system has given us the option here that we have brought what we have directly to the point of sale screen, and while on this we can directly point to our point of sale. They can operate. Like, let me give an example. We have provided an option here, barcode, in which you have all the products. All have scanners. Simply scan your barcode. Suppose, since I don't have a scanner, I will search for any product that I have and then I will enter it automatically here in my grid. You might have noticed that as soon as we put a repeating code in it, if one product is entered, the system automatically takes two products. He took another product, i.e. he took the bag for the first time, they are automatically added to it by default. Now if a person is not giving the bag or does not need it, he can delete it from here. And if they want me to not add the default bag, they can uncheck it by default, but the system keeps checking it by default. Okay, I hope you understand. So if I want to edit someone's quantity, I'll just edit it and calculate the number here, and then the number will come out automatically. Now, if I want to see, for example, this payment, is there any discount on it, I click here. So will show. There is a 28% discount on it, which makes a total of $1,300. And total discount amount will be $2,600, which is 1,300 times 2. Now the same total discount is also shown here. At the same time, what we have on top of the entire point of sale screen is an information about which branches to log in at by, like this 20 number branch code is showing me from Baria Town and so on. My bill number is running. The 20 in last means that my own serialization is running, which I have defined. In this way, you will tell here that this is not my salesperson. When you click on the lookup like this, the system will show which salesperson you have who is working, whatever sales percentage that is. Working on this branch, they will automatically come to top. I'll take that as an example. What will the system do when Faisal Jamal and I enter? This cell will be booked in the account of Faisal Jamal. It keeps the salesman's information behind it. If you have a new customer, you need to enter their contact number. That's what they were the customers. Get their information. Now suppose the customer 030092555600, this is my own number. If it is registered, the system will automatically come up with its name. If it's not registered, it will ask me for the name here. Tell me what number it is. If the number already exists, it will automatically take the name. Now let me put this data into this. Whenever I comment on this invoice, the customer's name will be saved. So that the customer will automatically come to me in the profile, and next time I will put the number to that customer here. It will automatically display the customer's name here, which will ensure that the restaurant is a customer and has come to you. There is another option here. What's the customer? He does not want to tell his mobile number. Some 2 or 3 other people are standing with him, so you've got another option. Do you click here and find this customer? There are many options to search. I went, for example. Now we have many customers named Ahmed. Now I can ask the customer. I have several clients at a time. I'm a private person. Don't ask for a number, I can tell you that. Please sir, tell me the last 3 digits of the number. Ahmed is his name. List 3 digital 654. Suppose now there are 2 numbers coming from 654. Now you have to identify one of the 2 numbers and you have to select that. The system will automatically fetch the name, etc. It's your back office. Whatever your retail is maintained by people who are working as sales marketing people. This is customer data. They're doing back-end paychecks all the time, and they're also looking at how many of your salespeople are feeding into the same number, so they're also looking at how many salespeople are running our system correctly and how many people who aren't running properly, they don't create data. So you have to take care of that as well. What you've done right, users need to be informed. This is based on all of your customers. They are registered, and what they have on the back end, what's more, marketing is the back office people. Anything to do with them they continue to do. There's hope you'll understand then after that we have the option here that this number of item is like 2 items. If another 2 quantities are added, 3 shows that it is getting a total of 9,000. With this, a total of 600 rupees is your discount and bill discount. If you give up on someone, some security is required to pay the bill. When you go to discount the bill, so the system tells you that whoever you're giving a discount on the bill, tell him, give me your phone number if you can. If the number is the same as the one I sent here, they will receive an OTP. If you see the OTP of the system and enter the 4-digit OTP, so you will get the discount, and the discount will be the same as what the admin gave from the back of the bill discount. This way, if the OTP doesn't work or there is an email, now they send the same email. It's above the email. He will send them an email. They start making fake entries. Enter the number of your choice. Take the OTP on it. Then all those things that are the back end of any team. She looked to see who it was. It's being misused things that they are. If you are taking the positive, you have to take care of the fact that you are. This is the system and it will have to be sent once. The system will wait for 2 minutes. As soon as you tell the OTP of the email, it will automatically get a percentage of the discount received from the back end. This will allow you to do it automatically, then it's your bill that will come here. So we have an option here. When you go to save, the system will ask you that, brother, this is your cash tender. If 80 is the cash tender, so you save all the money. If a customer earns 64,000 rupees and you write 10,000 rupees, so the system will automatically tell you that you have to return 3,600 rupees, and thus if the bill is completely yours. He's on the machine, then you will have your machine that the trader will automatically come up with, and as soon as you save it, you'll save him. So in this way you will have complete point of sale operating. Let's suppose I save and print the invoice on a card, it will automatically be saved and invoiced. To print it will go directly to the printer. But I don't have a printer at the moment. Otherwise, it goes directly to the printer. It's alright, the invoice has popped up, invoice saved successfully. In the next video of point of sale, I will guide you about Food Panda. There are more features of point of sale and some things that are livestock, etc. I'll also give you some guidance.